Hello students, how are you? I hope you and your family members all are taking good care of yourselves with necessary precautions at this pandemic period. Students, earlier you were getting videos related to your assignments which were not taught by your teachers. But now, as you know, your teachers are providing their own video to you. So I, Babita Navani, is your science teacher, and I hope you all have purchased your books and notebooks. So now we will go as per our syllabus. So students, this is your science book and first chapter is living and non-living things. So we will start our first chapter, living and non-living things. So chapter 1, living and non-living things. Students, we live on the planet Earth. We come across various things like plants, buildings, vehicles. Some of them are natural things as some of them are man-made things. What are natural things? The things that occur in nature. We can't create them. For example, plants, animals, mountains, rivers and many more, which we can't create. They are present in nature. They all are known as natural things. They are provided by nature. Second type of things are man-made things. If you see around you, you will see roads, buildings, chair, table, this board. These all are man-made things. These all are not natural. So, the things which are made by man are known as man-made things. Now, if you will see, these things are again of two types. Living things and non-living things. If we talk about living things are those which are having life, like you, me, for example, plants and animals, and non-living things which do not have life in them. For example, chair, table, this board, this marker, they all are non-living things. So student, now you have learned living things have life in them. Now we will study about the features of living things. The first feature is living things need food. All living things need food because food provides energy and also helps to grow. For example, if you will not get food, you will feel hunger, while your chair never feel hunger. So you are a living thing while your chair is non-living thing. So the second feature of living things is living things move. All living things can move by their own, while non-living things do not move. For example, you can move from one place to another by your own, but your books or tables can't move by their own until you put them in some other place. They cannot go by their own in some other place. So, the second feature is living things move. Now, third feature is living things grow. All living things grow while non-living things do not grow. For example, A seed grows and becomes plant. A baby grows and becomes adult because they all are living things. While your chair, table will never grow because they are non-living things. Now fourth feature is living things feel. All living things feel while non-living things do not feel. For example, it's a pencil. If I will put its nib in my hand and I will press it, I will get hurt. I will feel pain. But if the same process I will do on this board, it does not feel anything because it is non-living. While I am feeling this pain because I am a living thing. So, living things feel. Now, the fifth feature of living things is living things breathe. What is breathing? Take a long breath. Yes, the process of taking in and giving out air is called breathing. How do you breathe? Through your nose. You take in air through your nose. So, living things breathe. Now, the sixth feature is living things reproduce. Living things reproduce. The process of giving birth to young ones is called reproduction. For example, some animals like snakes and birds lay eggs and give birth to young ones through these eggs, while cow gives birth to a calf and a mother gives birth to a child. So, this is the feature of living things. Living things reproduce. So, the students, as we know the features of living things, on basis of that we can differentiate between living things and non-living things. What we have learned? Living things grow, while non-living things do not grow. Living things need food. Non-living things do not need food. Number 3, living things feel. Non-living things do not feel. Number 4, living things move on its own. Non-living things do not move on its own. Number 5, living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Number 6, living things reproduce and non-living things do not reproduce. These are the differences between living things and non-living things. So the students, we will continue this chapter in next video. If you have any query, you can ask through the mail. Till the time we meet, be safe and stay at home. Bye-bye.